Today, Mommy's going to do my hair.
What hair do you want? Bun? Or
Hi, Perry. Another two.
high pony?
Another two.
Okay.
Mom called Gem. Can we?
We're opening a new one. Ubus na yung isa. You okay?
Let me have that. Orange.
Hindi. Don't touch.
On. Dad. I showed you. Mommy, I showed you secret because I showed you. You was over in the door. Oh God.
Say happy day.
Mommy, what does that say? What?
What?
What is that? It is very red. Get it and show you. Mama, wait. Mama, wait.
Titan?
Mommy, can some yogurt too, please? I have that one.
Tightened? Let me check.
It.
Tightened, yeah. The screws. Screws. Oh my gosh. These are hard words, Bob. Screws. So this is a screw, and that's the screwdriver.
No.
These are really hard words.
Yes.
Painted.
We painted the bird feeder.
Well done. Good job. This is a short book, but hard book.
Short books are normally hard books.
Yeah, oh yeah.
We
It's really hard. Well done, Ate. Well done.
Mom, it's 15 pages.
Is it?
What's 15 plus 15?
You tell me.
45.
No. 15 plus 15?
No.
Have you done this? You have it?
I don't know, 55?
No, 30.
Oh,
Here, can you do that?
Kent.
Yeah. Good job.
Don't.
Yes. Well done.
Shouldn't.
Yeah?
Couldn't.
Yes.
Wouldn't.
Yes, baby. Oh my gosh. Easy. Well done, Baba.
Now I can draw something.
Now you can draw.
Yeah, finally. Bye, Daddy!
Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
I need to move the vacuum back.
Did you miss me?
There's a Missy haven't left yet. How can she miss you? You haven't gone yet.
Do you miss me?
You will have the ribbon, baby. Show me later, okay?
Bye. Isla, then Isla. Isla, go in. Isla, go on top of the B. Isla, and then
There's a
Isla.
bee. Say bye.
Here, here. Come here. I'll come
Cold.
Cold.
in. Hold on.
Dad.
Cold.
Cold?
Cold. Say bye,
Yeah.
Daddy.
Ada.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up, Daddy. Say thanks. Good.
Can you hand on it?
Say nice car, Dada. Is that Daddy's car? Oh no, there's a bee.
Gary. Oh.
Oh.
It's cold.
Big Momo.
Do you need your coat?
Gary.
Bee. I got the bee there.
Out of the way.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh.
Kiss.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. You wanna go to Daddy? Oh,
Okay, go.
no.
That's it.
Bye. See you later. Bye, Do you wanna wear that?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Naglo-laundry ako, guys. Nakita niyo to. Gusto niya isuot. Mami, Scott. Sige, galing yan sa madumi. Mamaya, palit tayo. She's happy na. Ang cute na niya. Nakaskirt na siya. You look so pretty. I'm almost done here. Oh, what's that? Alright, I need to wash that first. I-on ko lang to, may mga rugs. Oh, happy Wednesday, guys. Wednesday is today. Alright, I'll do a quick wash on the rugs. And then we'll go back here. Oh, thank you for helping. Where else? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Didi. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, good helping. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. More. Thank you. Ooh, good helping, Bubbers. Oh, thank you. Last one. Suck. Oh, no, look. Suck. Oh, no. Oh, thank you. And that one. Ah. Thank you. Thank you, Dee. Oh, how about clothes?
Yes.
Okay. Put it in.
Yes.
Okay. Ready? Say hi, guys. Oh, careful. Let's go downstairs. Ready?
Daddy.
Okay. Say ready.
Daddy.
Steady.
Go.
Go! Ready?
Daddy. Go.
Go! Ready?
Daddy. Go.
Go! Alright, let's go. Hold on tight. You got it? Okay, let's go. Ready?
Daddy.
Ready, okay. Guys, I will try and bake milk bread. Ako na talaga. So, meron akong bread flour. Ito na lang natira sa aking bread flour. And yung kailangan ng recipe is 250 grams. So, I weighed it just to make sure that I have enough. And this is 624 grams. So, ipa-follow ko yung recipe ni Pin. Pilipinas siya, guys. Yung ginawa niya is rolls. Pwede din gawing loaf. Pero I will try this one. We'll see. So, we will need 25 grams of bread flour and then 60 grams of fresh milk. So, I will weigh it para makuha natin yung exact measurement. So, wait lang ha. You alright, Dee?
Dad.
Perfect. Perfect. And then 60 grams of fresh milk. So I have the milk, I have the bread flour. Lagay natin siya sa maliit na pot. And then lutuin lang natin siya hanggang maging paste yung consistency niya. So that's the flour there. Lagay yung milk. So this is what we have so far. Mahina lang yung apoy ko. We're just after a paste consistency. Alright, so ito na yung itsura ng ating paste. Yung tawag dito is tangzong. Say, tangzong.
Mommy.
Oy, don't touch.
Tangzong.
Hot. So we have our bowl. Maglalagay ako ng 225 grams of bread flour. And marunong na ako sa aking weighing scale. Noon kasi hindi ako marunong nung paano ba siya i-zero kapag, anyway, pindot-pindot lang. So naka-zero siya ngayon. Kasi noon nag-ano pa ako guys, nag-calculator. Kapag masyado nang, nagma-minus-minus ang weight nito, tapos anong weight yung kailangan kong ilagay. But now, I figured it out. 225. And I cannot fail because I don't have enough bread flour. And then sugar is 75 grams. So pindutin na lang ulit natin. Ay, ang galing! 75. Ay, ang galing. Ay, natutuwa ako dyan. This is the only yeast I have. This should be 7 grams. I only need 5. There you go. It says 6. Oh well. And yun na yung last packet of yeast ko. So I cannot fail this. Alright, haluin. This is warm milk. Nilagay ko lang siya saglit sa oven. Microwave. So milk. And then egg. Oh my gosh. Speaking of egg, ang dami nating eggs, guys, kasi binigyan tayo ni Madam last week. I'm following this very closely because, again, I don't want it to fail. Haluin ng bahagya. So, ito yung ginamit niya paghalo. That's why yung recipe niya yung sinave ko. Kasi yung gamit niya hand mixer lang din. And that's what I have. Maya na tayo, guys, mag-electric mixer kapag as in pro na talaga tayo sa baking. Because nasa minimalist journey nga tayo, di ba? Gusto natin magbawas ng gamit. So, I don't wanna keep buying stuff na masa-stuck lang. I-mix lang siya ng bahagya, tapos ilagay ang tangzong daw. I'm scared. Alright. And then, let's put the tangzong. Oh, I need butter. Wait. I said I'm gonna follow the recipe, but I didn't have time to soften the butter. So, the butter is melted. Melted. Inat ko na yung butter and I'm just mixing it, guys. Alright guys, this is our dough. Iparest lang siya ng 45 minutes to an hour. So we will come back to that later, guys. Let's clean up, wash dishes, and yeah. Tapan ko lang yan ito. Alright, let's clean up. Clean up, clean up. Alright, well, happy pa si Indy. Let's take care of our meat. So, i-portion ko na yung aking pork. Tapos ilagay sa freezer because it goes off today. And then, ito yung dinner natin mamaya. Ito yung lunch ni Arlo bukas. Arlo. And, I don't know if Ayla wants it, but Ayla doesn't like cheeseburger. Pero si Arlo gusto niya yung cheeseburger. So, he will have mini cheeseburger for lunch tomorrow. This is our dinner. So, ipoportion ko lang siya pang afritada. What am I making? Basta I'm cooking chicken tonight for dinner. So, let's take care of these. And then after this, we will cook lunch. What are we gonna have for lunch, Andy? pork's done. Now the chicken. Should we do chicken adobo? Parang gusto ko mag-chicken adobo, guys. Ugasan ko lang to. Baby. Hair? You want me to do your hair? Okay, wait. Hands? You wanna wash hands? So, nagustuhan ko yung ginawa ko last time na Maryland cut. Tapos, kinat ko lang siya into maliliit. So, ayan, nakat ko siya into tatlo. Yung isang Maryland na cut. Tapos, tamang-tama na to sa amin. Itong ganito kadami. Ayan. So, pwede na yung pang-adobo or ewan ko anong gusto kong gawin dyan. So, ito naman, it comes with 2 patties. Yung gagawin ko, yung isang patty, yun yung yung i-reshape ko. I-reshape ko. Last time, nilagyan ko siya ng carrots. Alright, guys. So, I made 5 little patties for Alo. Well, I didn't make it, but you know what I mean. Ano ko lang siya, pinortion ko lang siya, tapos binola-bola, tapos klinatin. That's all I did. And then now, I will put it in a bag. Tapos para hindi siya magdikit-dikit, baking paper. So, 1. Here you go. And then baking paper on top. Grab another one. And then that. So, ang kapal kasi nung binili ni Dan. So, isa lang yung nagamit ko, guys, kasi ang dami na. 5 na yung nagawa ko. Ang kapal kasi nito. Dan got this from the deli. It's a Wagyu burger patty. Diba? So, I got... Oh, that's my washing. Oh, yeah. I got 4 in there. Mag-iiwan ako ng 2 because Arlo will have that tomorrow nga for his lunch. And then, ilagay ko to ditong 3. Maya ko siya i-freeze. Tanungin ko muna si ate kung gusto niya din ito for lunch bukas. Tapos kung ayaw niya, i-freeze ko to. I am back. It is now 11:57 ng umaga. Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Napatulog ko na din yung ating baby Didi. And let's see. Mabango siya. Can you see? Ooh. It has risen. Yeah, nag-rise siya. Hindi ko na-expect na mag-rise siya. Bakit parang, kapag mga rice kasi, feel ako sa mga rice. Hindi nagra-rise ng ayos. Wait sa guys ha, panoorin ulit natin anong gagawin natin next. So, ilagay siya sa flat surface, tapos i-divide siya into 9 equal parts daw. I will clean this. Malinis naman tong surface natin, but I will clean it again. I do not have a square pan, so I'm gonna use a round pan. Meron ako a rectangular pan. Can I microwave this? Huh? Microwave safe. Microwave safe, no broiler, no stovetop. I'm not sure about this. I'll use this one instead. Kasi hindi ako sure dun sa isa kung pwede i-microwave. I mean, i-oven. Ah, okay. So, i-rest pa ulit siya. Okay. Wait, nakalimutan kong gawing... I forgot to do that, ha? Very not nice, ha? Very good, ha? Ang bango niya, ha? Alright. Pero why do I have a feeling that this is not gonna work for me? Why do I have that feeling? Not a very good feeling, ha? Alright, 9. Sinadya kong baliktarin yung knife because 9? Sabi niya 9? I'll do 8. Inano pa niya? Winay pa niya. Should I weigh it? Ginano niya, oh. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna rest it again for 30 daw. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. 30 minutes timer. Alright, let's do dishes again. You guys, it is now 2:14. Yung sabi ko sa inyong 30 minutes, wala guys. 2 oras. I don't know. I got carried away. Tulog pa din kasi si Indy, hindi pa siya nagigising and I was just working habang walang disturbo. And look at our bread. Sobra na siyang nag-rise. I will get my oven ready. Actually, nag-stop ko kanina nung tumawag si Dan. Tapos sabi ko, wala, nag-bake pala ako ng bread. Pag-check ko sa kanya, that was way past 30 minutes. Tapos sabi ko, actually, maya ko na lang siya i-bake kapag malapit na mag-alas 3 para mapatry ko kay Nana and Papi. Kasi sila yung mapipick up kay Ayla because again, it's Wednesday. So, i-ready ko lang yung oven natin. Nilagay ko siya dito sa baba. 170 Celsius. I remember yung sabi niya is 170 Celsius. So, we will do that. Oh my gosh, ang lalaki nitong bread na. Okay din siguro, no? It smells really good. Hopefully, it's good. Check ko nga ko ilang minutes.
Sobrang lambot, malinamnam. Ice ko lang to for 30 minutes or so mag-double yung size niya. Then brush with milk. Then bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Promise.
Alright, I'm gonna brush it with milk. Ilang minutes?
18 to 20 minutes.
18 to 20 minutes. Lagay tayo na. Relax lang ako today. Sabi ko, I don't have to work. Focus lang tayo sa baking. Yung I don't have to work, nakapag-edit pa ako ng video. Galing talaga. Ang laki nito. You guys, it is now 3:02 and look at this. Hindi na ako nakahintay. Kinain ko na yung isa. Nagta-transfer ako ng files. So, hinintay ko na matapos yung transfer. Natagalan kasi ang dami kong transfer na files. So, kumain ako. But film ko naman gamit yung phone ko. But guys, it's so good. And ang lalaki. So, I know what to do now next time. Hindi lakihan masyado. Kasi ang lalaki na nito. Ang sarap niya. Plain lang siya, pero masarap. Look at this. It is very soft. Ang sarap niya. Pangalawa ko na to. It's so good. Hello? Hello? Wala pa. Pero, Manila, dyan siya. Wow. Yeah, ang feeling na ko. Yeah, feeling na ko. O, kaan naman na. Hindi naman siguro naman ko. You guys, let's cook dinner. Tingnan niyo yung ating bread. 3 na lang natira. So, kumuha ng isa si Nana at saka si Papi kanina. Naghati lang sila, guys. But Ayla had one as well. And then Indy had some. Si Dan hindi pa kumakain. Na-diet kasi yung ating daddy. But 3 na lang natira. I had 2. 3 na lang natira. Yeah, I had 2. Nana, Ayla, Indy. Yeah. So, 5 na yung nakain natin. Anyway, we will have chicken adobo for dinner. Yung sabi ko kanina, mag-ano sana ako afritada. In fact, nakalabas na yung pang-afritada ko. Yan nyo. Ayan. Yung potato, carrots. Kaya lang biglang nagbago yung isip ko. Sabi ko gusto ko mag-adobo. Chicken adobo. So, minarinate ko na siya. Nilagay ko na dito yung, syempre yung chicken. And then, soy sauce, vinegar. Naglagay na din ako ng maraming garlic. And then, pepper and bay leaves. So, idiretso ko na siya dito, guys. Itong lahat. Kasi nandito na lahat. And then, we will just wait.